Yesterday, we have done the one problem is there, that is maximum frequency 25. So you can use that formula. Suppose if the maximum frequency repeated more than one time, you can find the mode by using this formula. That is, the formula is known as determination of mode from mean and median using an empirical relationship. This formula is known as empirical. What is the relation between the mean, median, and mode? That should be known as mode equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Okay, or you can say mean minus mode equal to 3 into mean minus median. Our formula is going to simplify cheste. Now we should get this formula. That is mode equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. When you are knowing the mean value, out of these three values, mean, median, mode. So out of these three values, if you know the two values minimum, you should find the other value. Okay. If knowing if the maximum frequency repeated more than one time in a frequency distribution, in that formula you can find mean. In that problem you can find the mean, and the second one is you can find the median. Then coming to mode equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. So this formula is known as empirical relationship. When mean, median, and mode are equal, that should be known as symmetrical distribution. Mean value, median value, mode value, mood same aste, that should be known as symmetrical distribution term. If mean is not equal to median is not equal to mode vaste, that should be known as moderately symmetrical distribution. In a symmetrical distribution, mean, median, and mode are identical. That is, have the same value. However, for moderately symmetrical distributions, the values of mean, median, and mode are observed to have the following empirical relationship, that is known as mode equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. If any two values out of these three are unknown, the third can be calculated by using the above relation. So here is one example. In a moderately symmetrical distribution, the mode and the mean are 64.2 and 67.4 respectively. Find the median. So using the empirical relationship of median, mean, median, and mode is write the formula and substitute the values and simplify. You should get median equal to, that is 66.33. Okay. Here is given, mean is given, and mode is given. Now you can find median value. Solve its problem. Are you doing the problem? Check it whether it is correct or not. Answer. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Clear? So out of these three values, you know the only two values, you can find the other value. So in this given problem example, mean is given, mode is given, you can find median. Next, another. Next, if mean is given, median is given, you can find mode. Next, median is given, mode is given, you can find mean. You can find mean. So whatever out of these three values, you should know the minimum two values. You can find the other third value. You can find out by using empirical relationship. Mode equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Okay. So up to here, we are completed three measures of central tendencies. One is arithmetic mean, and one is median, and one is mode. Coming to geometric mean. So the geometric mean is the nth root of the product of n positive values. Here you should take the only for positive values. You should not take 0. You should not take negative values. You should take only for positive values. Geometric mean. The geometric mean is the nth root of the product of n positive values. The formula is GM is equal to x1 into the product x1 into x2 into so on so for xn, nth root, that is 1 to the power of 1 by n. So this is the formula by finding measure of central tendencies of geometric mean. The most important measure of central tendency or mean median, and mode because of their wide usefulness, simplicity, and general applicability. Under certain conditions, the other measures of central tendencies may be useful, and we shall therefore consider the geometric mean. Okay. Now, in case of frequency distribution, xi, this is not given, this is known as given. If xi given fi, I equal to 1 to n, the geometric mean is gm is equal to x1 to the power of f1 and x2 to the power of f2 into so on and so forth into xn to the power of fn whole to the power of 1 by capital N, not for small n, 1 by capital N. Okay. So where n is equal to sigma f. Here printing mistake upward idi. So this small n indicating nothing but small. You should take the capital N. When the frequency distribution, you should write capital N. So here is the wrong mistake. Printing mistake is there. Here you should write capital N is equal to sigma f. So similarly, you should write here. You should write whole to the power of 1 by small n ochindi, but that printing mistake is there, 1 by capital N. Okay. So by using this formula, find the geometric mean of, here I take the two values, A and B. What is the geometric mean of A and B? That should be known as the under root A into B. Or you can simply say that A into B to the power of A into B whole to the power of 1 by 2. This is one example. When you are taking the three values like A comma B and C, what is the geometric mean of A comma B and C? That nothing but A into B into C whole to the power of
1 by 3.
If you are taking the four values, A value, B value, C value, D value,
whole to the power of 1 by 4.
That is A into B into C into D whole to the power of 1 by N, 1 by N, sorry, 1 by 4. When you are taking four values, whole to the power of 1 by 4. Like 4. You take N values, geometry mean equal to x1 into x2 into so on for xn whole to the power of 1 by n. In individual series, this is the formula for using individual series. This is the formula for using this is the formula for using frequency distribution. Clear?
Yeah.
Example. Find the geometry mean of 4, 16 and 27. Why we should not take the negative values? Because in under root, there is no question of negative. Root minus 5. Root minus 5 we cannot find, but we are finding the I value. You should take the I value, imagine number. But here in statistics, we cannot find under root minus 5. Under root minus 10. And under root, the given the values should not take the negative values, 1 point condition. Second condition is you should not take the 0 value. Suppose 2 into 0 means 0. Under root 0 means meaningless. Kabatti, if you take the only for positive values, here you should write the geometric mean is the nth root of the product of n positive values. This is the most important point, n positive values. Okay. Now coming to example, find the geometry mean of 4, 16 and 27. The geometry mean of the given values 4 into 16 and 27 whole to the power 1 by 3. That nothing but that is 12. So you should take the calculator and find the 4 into 16 and 27 whole to the power 1 by 3. Change the problem 12 as the answer. In the calculator, we should have one application is there, that is nth root. Are you doing? So 4 into 16, 27 means 12 to the power of 3. 12 to the power of 3. So 12 into 12 and 12 and the value was 30. So that value nothing but 12 to the power of 3 whole to the power of 1 by 3. So 3 cancels. Ultimately, you should get 12 value. Now coming to, so ఇదే ప్రాబ్లాన్ని లాగార్థంలో ఈ విధంగా చేస్తాం. చూడండి, alternative method to compute geometric mean. Geometric mean is defined as the nth root of the product of n positive values when the number of items is there is 3 or more. The task of multiplying the numbers and extracting the root becomes exclusively difficult. So here we have taken only 3 values, but you should take the 10 values. It is highly impossible to calculate It's highly
This,
impossible. Chepandi.
this example also explains the frequency table shown.
I will come to later. This first
Okay.
one is integer series. So here we have taken the only 3 values. So it is very easy to calculate by using calculator, by using
Yes.
mathematics. But if you take the 50 values, 50 values,
Yeah.
how do we calculate by using calculator? It is highly impossible. So that purpose, you should take alternative method to compute geometric mean. So log GM. So ikkada em cheddamante ikkada ee formula daggara you should take the logarithms on both sides here.
Okay.
So GM is equal to x1 into x2 into so on so xn whole to the power 1 by nothing. You should take the logarithms on both sides. So log GM, isn't it? So
Yes,
log
sir.
GM is equal to log of x1 into x2 into so on so for xn whole to the power 1 by n.
1 by n.
So here n nothing but it is small letter, not should take capital letter. Because individual series small n undali ikkada capital paddadi. Chaala textbook lo so many mistakes are there, which is I identified. You can change the symbols. So here capital N ochindi, so you should take the small n. When individual series, you should take the small n. In frequency distribution, you should take the capital N. That is the difference between small n and capital N. So log x1 into x2 into so on so for xn means log x1 plus log x2 plus so on plus log xn by capital N. Ikkada capital N small undala. Because ikkada small n undi, also small n undi, ikkada small n undala.
Sir, akkada small n indicates number of observations, sir.
By this is capital nothing but total frequency. But is in individual series, there is no question of total frequencies. You should take the n value, small n value. So anti-log of, when GM is equal to anti-log of sigma log x by small n. Clear? Any doubt? Cheppandi.
Right. Clear, sir.
So change the capital N, instead of capital N, you should write small n. Here, instead of capital N, you should write small n. This is this formula is known as individual series. Now coming to in discrete series, GM is equal to anti-log of sigma f into log x by capital N. If the formula is the correct formula, and n is equal to sigma f. Now coming to in continuous series, GM is equal to anti-log of sigma log m. So here x, here taken m value means continuous by capital N, where m is equal to mid values. M is equal to nothing but mid values. So how to calculate mid values of a given class interval? You should take the average of upper limit and the lower limit.
Upper limit and lower
limit. Okay. Now I will explain this problem in frequency distribution, discrete frequency distribution. The frequency table shows the number of goals scored in netball by Iris in 12 games played. Number of goals. First goal, frequency 2. Second goal, frequency 3. Third goal, frequency 2. Fourth goal, frequency 1. Like, find the geometry mean of goals secured per game. So the solution is x1 to the power of f1 into x2 to the power of f2 into so on so xn to the power of fn whole to the power of 1 by capital N. Ikkada printing tapodadu. చూడండి డిస్క్రీట్ లో స్మాల్ n రాస్తున్నాడు, individual series లో capital n రాసిండు. So you can change where the small n you can write capital N, where the capital N you should write small n in this formula. So 1 square x1 means 1, frequency means 2, so 1 square into x2 means 2, f2 3, 2 cube, 1 square plus 2 cube plus 3 square plus 4 plus 5 to the power of 2 plus 6 to the power of 2.
So multiplication also.
Yeah, product. Yeah, it is product. X1 to the power of f1 into x2 to the power of f2 into so on so for xn to the power of fn. Now take the paper and pen. So 1 square
into
right now, 1 square into
2 cube
into
3 square 4
into 4 to the power of
1
2
5 square
5 square into 6
square.
What is the value? Tell me.
2,59,200.
2,59,200.
2 lakh.
12th root of 2,59,200.
Wait for 1 minute. That value is root 8 astadi. So you mottam value ku whole to the power 1 by n. 1 by n means what? How many values are there? 6 values are there. Whole to the power 1 by 6.
12 sir. Frequency is n equal to sigma f kada.
Sigma
F kada.
Appandi sigma f kaadu idi. N equal to sigma f kaadu. N equal number of observations. That is 6. అందుకే టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ లో చాలా మిస్టేక్స్ ఉన్నాయి. So this value n equal to 6. Again,
సార్ ఫార్ములాలో 1 by n వాల్యూ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీస్ టోటల్ తీసుకోవాలా లేకపోతే ఎక్స్ వాల్యూస్ తీసుకోవాలా?
the discrete formula. This complete wrong. 2.862 wrong. So here you should take the formula this. Here in discrete series, here. In discrete series, Gm is equal to anti sigma f log x by n equal to sigma f. So log x means log 1. So 2 into log 1. Write down.
There
2
f
into
also there, no, sir? Sigma f log x.
log x. Write down. 2 into log 1. So log 1 మనం కొట్టాలి వాల్యూ. ఇది క్యాలిక్యులేటర్ లో 3 into 2 into log 1 plus 3 into log 2 plus 2 into log 3 plus 1 into log 4 plus 2 into log 5 plus 2 into log 6 divided by total frequency. That is 2 plus 3, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 2, 12. That is divided by 12. And take anti-logarithm. That should be known as geometric mean రావాలి. చేస్తారు కదా? చూడండి ఫార్ములా ఇది ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్, డిస్క్రీట్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్. సో నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ గోల్స్ నథింగ్ బట్ x values. Frequency nothing but f values. So this formula in discrete series, Gm is equal to anti-log of sigma f log x by n. N is equal to sigma f. Are doing problem? You are having a calculator in front of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 1 or 2 members solve the problem by using calculator. It is very quickly.
Or in exam hall also, we should take calculator.
Yeah, in examination hall, it is permitted to license. That is the license while bringing the calculator.
Okay. It means we can take calculator.
Definitely. I am also writing the examination. I am also taking the calculator. Why? Because that is statistics. BSc statistics, it is licensed to take the calculator to examination hall.
Okay, sir.
Including hall ticket and calculator, scientific calculator, not business, but it is using for scientific calculator. You can purchase latest scientific calculator if you are not having any calculator in your home. మీ ఇంట్లో
Okay.
లేకపోతే మీ బ్రదర్స్ గా సిస్టర్ దగ్గర లేకపోతే యూ కెన్ పర్చేస్ scientific calculator, latest scientific calculator by two methods. One is known as original, one is known as duplicate. In original, it will cost 600 to 700 rupees. In duplicate, it will cost 200 to 220 rupees.
So we need to buy original one.
Because it is the permanent. Any product should have original and duplicate. So originally should be more cost comparing duplicate. Because
Sir,
duplicate it is the service is very less service, life service.
Okay.
Okay, right.
Sir, sigma f log x 5.413.
F
Sigma f log x 5.413.
లాగిన్ ఏంది ఫార్ములా చూడండి. In discrete series gm is equal to write down anti-log of. Now anti-log of 2 into 1. 2 means frequency. Sorry, 2 means frequency. 1 means x. 2 into log 1 plus 3 into log 2 plus 2 into log 3 plus 1 into log 4 plus 2 into log 5 plus 2 into log 6 divided by capital N. The total frequency 12. You should take the anti-log of.
Anti-log of 5.413 by 12.
So, okay. Anti-log of 5.412.
5.413 by 12.
Okay, 1 minute. Wait for.
Anti-log of 0.4511.
Now take the log of the calculator. It will become 2 point something.
2.8255.
చూడండి ఇక్కడ 2.8255. Slight changes. 2.8 is the correct answer. On the screen, you are visible. 2.862 వచ్చింది, but 2.8555 వచ్చింది. No problem. It is very near to 2.862. So, correct answer is came. Okay. Now coming to another example. Find the GM of 2, 2.5, 7, 10, 15.05 and 6.75. Okay. So X values is given. Total frequency, that is number of values, is 5. ఇక్కడ కూడా తప్పటి చూడండి. ఇక్కడ ఏం పడింది? క్యాపిటల్ పడ్డది. ఇది ఇండివిజువల్ సిరీస్. ఇదేంటిది? దిస్ ఇస్ నో ఇండివిజువల్ సిరీస్. సో నో క్వశ్చన్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీస్. నో క్వశ్చన్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ కాబట్టి ఫార్ములా తప్పబడ్డది. స్మాల్ ఎన్ ఉండాలి ఇక్కడ. సిరీస్ క్యాపిటల్ వచ్చింది, స్మాల్ ఎన్ ఉండాలి. Here is written capital N, but capital N is not correct symbol. You should write small n. So answer is 0.710. So GM is equal to anti-log of sigma log x by small n formula. Okay. Now log 2 value is there. Log 2.5 value is there. Log 7 value is there. Log 15.05 value is there. Log 6.7 value is there. The total is 3.55. So anti-log of 3.55089 by 5. That is 0.710182. That is individual series. Coming to find the geometric mean for the following data: 110, 115, 118, 119, 120. So this is the discrete series. In discrete series, you can use geometry mean equal to anti-log of sigma f log x by sigma f. Do the problem on 58 page.
To calculate anti-log values, sir.
Yeah, anti-log. Why? Because log GM is equal to value formula is there. When the GM is nothing but log, it will come to anti-log.
Okay.
సార్ కొంచెం స్క్రీన్ కిందకి పెట్టరా?
కనిపిస్తుందా?
కనిపిస్తుంది సార్.
ఓకే ఓకే. In your practical examinations, lab examinations, as well as theory examinations, you can pick up scientific calculator. You can take the examination by scientific calculator. It is licensed, permitted. Okay. Now I explain third continuous series. Problem here is there. See on page number 59. Example. Find the geometric mean for the following data. Classes 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. This is the continuous series. Okay. Now clear. Frequency 1, 2, 6, 6, 5. Geometric mean for continuous frequent distribution is given by Gm is equal to anti-log of sigma f log m. M nothing but mid value by sigma f. Or you should write capital N. In place of sigma f, you should write capital N or simply sigma f. Now classes in one column, mid value in second column, corresponding frequency third column, log m and f into log m. Because here is f into log m. F into log m sigma gavati f into log m. Okay. Now 0 to 10 mid value. 0 plus 10 by 2, that is 5. 10 to 10 plus 20, 30 by 2, that is 15. So average of lower and upper limits is known as mid values. So these are mid values. F 1, 2, 6, 6, 5. Now log M, that is log 5, 0.699. Log 15, 1.17. Like these are the log M values. Now coming to E, multiply with log M values with the frequencies. 1 into 0.699, 0.699. 2 into 1.1761, that is 2.35. Like so and so, you can submit and write the formula and substitute and simplify. Go fast. Are doing?
సార్ ఒకవేళ క్లాసెస్ 0 to 9, 10 to 19 అలా ఇస్తే సార్
Yes. I will come to that point. 0 to 9, 10 to 19 ఇచ్చిందనుకోండి. So that should be known as discrete frequency distribution. Now the discrete frequency distribution, you can convert it to continuous. First, except first class interval, you should take the remaining other class intervals, you take the any one of that. First, you should take the lower limit minus preceding upper limit by 2, correction factor. That correction factor subtract each lower limit and add each upper limit. Now discrete distribution convert into continuous distribution. Yesterday we are done by problem in the median. Yesterday we are calculated. Yesterday we are explained discrete distribution convert into continuous distribution. Clear? Yes. So doubt is clear?
Yes, sir.
ఎస్ సార్
చేసుకున్నారా ప్రాబ్లం? చేసుకుంటారా ఇంటికాడ మరి? So the answer is 28.08.
సార్ ఇప్పుడు 0 to 9 ఇచ్చినప్పుడు దాన్ని 0.05 to 9.5 రాసుకోవాలా సార్?
0 to 9, 9 to 19 to 29, 10 to 19 ఇట్లా ఇస్తాడు కదా. 0 to 9, 10 to 19, 20 to 29 ఇట్లా ఇస్తాడు కదా. ఇచ్చినప్పుడు దాన్ని ఏమంటాం అంటే డిస్క్రీట్ అంటాం దాన్ని. కానీ స్టాటిస్టిక్స్ లో ద డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ షుడ్ ఆల్వేస్ ఇన్ కంటిన్యూస్ సిరీస్. సో ఆ ఇచ్చిన డిస్క్రీట్ ను కంటిన్యూస్ కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలంటే ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్ ఇంటర్ తప్ప రిమైనింగ్ క్లాస్ ఇంటర్స్ లో ఏదైనా ఒకటి సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి. యూ కెన్ చూస్ ఎనీ వన్. సపోజ్ 20 సెలెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం అనుకున్నాం. 20 to 29 సెలెక్ట్ చేస్తే 20 ఇస్ ద లోయర్ లిమిట్. 20 మైనస్ దాని ప్రిసీడింగ్ అప్పర్ లిమిట్, దాని పైన ఉన్నటువంటి అప్పర్ లిమిట్ తీసుకోండి. ఎంత ఉంటుంది పైన? 19 ఉంటుంది. సో 20 minus 19 by 2, that is 0.5. That correction factor, that 0.5 is known as correction factor. This correction factor subtract from each lower limit and add to upper limit. Starting లో 0 to 9 ఉంది కదా, 0 నుంచి 0.5 తీసేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది? మైనస్ 0.5 to 9 కి యాడ్ చేస్తే 9.5 ఒకటి. సెకండ్ ఎంత? 10 to 19, 10 లకి 0.5 తీసేయండి,
9.5 to 19.5.
థర్డ్ 20 నుంచి 29 కదా, థర్డ్ 20 లకి 0.5 తీసేయండి, 19.5
to 29.5.
This means what? ప్రతి క్లాస్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ యొక్క లోయర్ లిమిట్ దాని ప్రిసీడింగ్ అప్పర్ లిమిట్ ఈక్వల్ కావాలి. చూడండి ఇక్కడ 10 to 20 ఉంది, 10 ఉంది, దాని ప్రిసీడింగ్ అప్పర్ 10 ఉంది. 20 తీసుకో, 20 ఉంది, దాని ప్రిసీడింగ్ అప్పర్ 20 ఉంది. ఇక్కడ రావాలి, ఈ మోడల్ రావాలా, వస్తే కంటిన్యూస్ సిరీస్ అంటాం.
ఓకే సార్, ఓకే.
Merits and demerits you can study, no problem. It is very easy to study. Now here is given homework, your progress, daily income is there, find the geometric mean, that is integer series. This is discrete distribution, x is given, frequency is given. This is continuous series is given.
Continuous series.
Solve it. Now coming to last one is harmonic mean, isn't it? Any doubt?
No sir.
No. Harmonic mean, like geometric mean, is the measure of central tendency in solving special types of problems. Harmonic mean is the reciprocal of the arithmetic mean of the reciprocal values of various items in the variable. This is the main important. That is, harmonic mean is the reciprocal of the arithmetic mean of the reciprocal values of the variable values of various items in the variable. So this is the most important definition of geometric mean. It is reciprocal of arithmetic mean of the reciprocal values of various items in the variable. It is specified average which solves problems involving variables expressed within time rates. Speed కావచ్చు, time rates కావచ్చు, that vary according to time. Determination of harmonic mean indices. SM is equal to small n. తప్పొడది ఇక్కడ 20 తప్పొడది. Small n by sigma 1 by x. So 1 by x means reciprocal. ఈ reciprocal మళ్ళీ reciprocal. So harmonic mean equal to change formula change చేసుకోండి. Small n ఉండాలి ఇక్కడ. Small n divided by sigma 1 by x. Where sigma 1 by x is the sum of reciprocal values of the variable x. n equal to small n రావాలి ఇక్కడ. Small n is equal to number of items. You can remember individual series లో small n ఉండాలి ఖచ్చితంగా. ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ లో క్యాపిటల్ ఉండాలి, ఇది పర్మనెంట్ రూల్ ఇది. ఓకే, ఇండివిజువల్ సిరీస్ లో స్మాల్ ఎన్ ఉండాలా, ఫ్రీక్వెంట్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ లో క్యాపిటల్ ఉండాలా. ఓకే, నౌ హియర్ యూ కెన్ చేంజ్ స్మాల్ ఎన్, హియర్ యూ కెన్ చేంజ్ స్మాల్ ఎన్. నౌ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఫ్రమ్ ద డాటా 5, 10, 17, 20, 30 క్యాలిక్యులేట్ హార్మోనిక్ మీన్. సో ఎక్స్ వాల్యూస్ ఇచ్చాడు, ఎన్ని ఇక్కడ తప్పు ఉంటుంది, ఎన్ ఈక్వల్ టు 5 ఉండాలా, ఇక్కడ స్మాల్ ఎన్ వాడాలా, ఎన్ ఈక్వల్ టు 5. సో రెసిప్రోకల్ 1 by 5, 1 by 10, 1 by 17, 1 by 24, 1 by 30 చేయండి. సిగ్మా 1 by x is equal to 0.43 వస్తుంది. సో హార్మోనిక్ మీన్ is equal to small n by sigma 1 by x, 11.53 వస్తుంది. డూ ద ప్రాబ్లం, చేయండి ప్రాబ్లం, ఒక 2 minutes చేయండి ఫాస్ట్ గా. చెక్ అనేయండి, ఈ స్క్రీన్ పైన కనిపిస్తుంది కదా, చెక్ చేయండి.
Sir, I having one query, sir.
చెప్పండి ప్లీజ్.
So this page number 58, earlier one, GM1 problem.
Number 58.
Yes, 51, 58, sorry, 58.
Yeah.
Not upper one, sir.
Yes.
Okay, this one, anti-log 3.55089 by 5. Sir, if you are taking out anti-log of this one, so I am getting almost 5.13. So it's correct or something a mistake I have done it?
I done mistake. This is the 0.710 is the correct answer.
If I'm checking out, sir, can you check it out in your Kelsey? Because I am getting my answer in anti-log is 5.13. So
Wait 1 minute. I will wait 1 minute. I will bring the scientific calculator.
Okay, yeah, sure, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's a 5.13, sir, no?
But 1 minute. 3.55089 divided by 5.
5. We are getting 0.710178.
Here is not taken the anti-log.
Yeah, that's the thing, na? This is not
Yeah.
taken anti-log, na?
3.55089 by 5 equal to 0.710182.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Okay.
Here is only taken 3.55089 by 5 value 0.710182. This is the value. This is in between anti-log. Before you should write anti-log of 0.710182.
Then we taking a anti-log, then we will get a 5.1.
Yeah, that is correct. So that is value is 0.710182. That is 5.130.
Exactly. Okay, so that's the thing I wanted to clarify, sir.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
In textbook, we are having so many mistakes are there.
Sir, even many of the problems I have been facing the same problems in exercises.
Yes.
So we are getting something different answer, and in textbooks we are getting some different answers, sir.
You are having the doubts.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Not in class. After time.
Okay, sure.
You can call to me. You can call to me. I will give the clarify.
Okay, no problem, sir. Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Whatever. Right.
Yeah.
So here in page number 58, see the students, page number 58. So GM is the anti-log of this one value is here you should write anti-log of 0.710182. The answer is 5.130. Here is also one mistake is there. In textbook, we are having so many mistakes are there. If you are attending the classes regularly, you should clarify your doubts. Okay, by using my WhatsApp number. Okay. Now coming to here. Harmonic mean. Problem is over. Check it. Here you should write small n equal to 5. So 5 by 0.4338 equal 11.53 is the answer. Okay, got it? Coming to discrete series. If the data is in discrete series, harmonic mean is calculated with the formula HM is equal to small capital N, correct, by sigma into F by X or F into 1 by X, whatever you can say, where N is equal to sigma F is total frequency. So find the harmonic mean of the marks obtained in the class test given below. That is marks is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Number of students 11 marks వచ్చిన వాళ్ళు ముగ్గురు members, 12 marks got it 7 members. These are frequencies. So marks, that is X values. Number of students, that is frequency values. So 1 by X, you should take the 1 by X. The 1 by 11, 1 by 12, 1 by 13, 1 by 14, 1 by 15. This 1 by x into corresponding frequency, 3 into 0.09, like 0.2727. You can check it, the problem, solution, check it, and harmonic mean is equal to n by, n is equal to 25 by 1.96, that is 12.75. Please check it 1-2 minutes. Now coming to, from the following data, compute the value of harmonic mean. This is a continuous series, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Now you can take the formula, mid values, class intervals, mid values, frequencies, 1 by m, f into 1 by m. Where discrete, you should take f into 1 by x. Where continuous series, you can take f into 1 by m, where m is mid value of particular class intervals. Now check it, harmonic mean is equal to n by sigma f into 1 by m. So merits and demerits of harmonic mean, you can study, you can read. Okay.
Sir, ఒకసారి కొంచెం స్క్రీన్ పైకి పెట్టండి సార్.
చెప్తున్నా, చెప్పండి. ఎక్కడ పేజ్ నెంబర్? 63. చెప్పమ్మా.
నో డౌట్ సార్, కానీ టేబుల్ చూస్తున్నాను.
ఓకే ఓకే, నో ప్రాబ్లం. చూడండి చూడండి, మీ దగ్గర ఆల్రెడీ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్స్ ఉన్నాయనుకుంటా, ఐ థింక్ సో.
వాళ్ళకి ఇవ్వలేదు సార్ ఇంకా బుక్స్.
ఓకే, నో ప్రాబ్లం. లేకపోతే మీకు గ్రూప్ లో పెట్టారు కదా పిల్లలు, మనకు కొంతమంది తెలిసిన వాళ్ళు పీడిఎఫ్ పెట్టారు కదా, అది ఫోన్లో చూసుకున్నా పర్వాలేదు, అట్లయినా పర్వాలేదు, మీ ఇష్టం. మీకు ఏది కనుంటే అది చూసుకోండి. అది డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకొని పెట్టుకోండి గ్రూప్లో పెట్టినటువంటి బుక్ ఉంది కదా, యూనిట్స్ వైజ్ పెట్టారు, అది చూడండి.
ఎగ్జామ్స్ ఎప్పుడు ఉంటాయి సార్?
తెలియదు అమ్మా, దట్ ఈస్ నాట్, తెలియదు. ఎందుకంటే ఇవి క్లాసెస్ కావాలి కదా, 12 క్లాసెస్ కావాలి కదా. ఇవాళ ఐ థింక్ సో ఇట్ ఈస్ 6th క్లాస్ అనుకుంటా. సో ఫైండ్ హార్మోనిక్ మీన్ ఫర్ ఇండివిజువల్ సిరీస్ ఇచ్చాడు, చూడండి. డిస్క్రీట్ లో ఇచ్చాడు. ఓకే, కమింగ్ టు కంటిన్యూస్ ఇచ్చాడు. ఓకే, సో ఎక్సర్సైజ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి, చూడండి. అన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్ చేయండి. ఇక్కడ మిస్టేక్ వస్తే, ఇక్కడ ప్రాబ్లం పంపిస్తే కాంటాక్ట్ మీ. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద ఎక్సర్సైజ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఆర్ దేర్.
మీ వాట్సాప్ నెంబర్ చెప్పండి సార్.
944 044
yes sir
7469. So do the problem, exercise problems here is there. Calculate mean. 106 problems are there. Solve these all problems. Okay, solve all these problems. If you have any, if you are having any doubt, please contact me. This is the summary what we learned. These are the check your answers. Okay, model questions are there, given is given. This is complete. Unit 4 is successfully completed. Measures of central tendencies in block 2. In block 2 we are having 4th unit, 5th unit, 6th unit. In block 2 we are having 4th unit, 5th unit, 6th unit. So it's up to here we are completed 4th unit. So next Saturday class we are start 5th unit. Okay? Next Saturday we will start 5th unit. So we are completed 4th units. Okay, clear?
Sir, in model questions we got only like explain. They are not given any some questions, right?
Some questions.
Solving questions. The model examination questions, sir. They ask the explanation, the definitions and everything.
In model question paper, all problems are theoretical, sir.
Theory, that's what.
Okay. Theoretical questions.
Yeah, all questions are theoretical. They have not asked the problems one.
Yeah. So what is your
Yeah,
doubt?
exams also theory questions are there.
No, it is not. It is depending upon the paper setter.
Okay.
It will give the problems as well as theory questions. No. Is it clear? What are the central tendencies? Explained in detail. So, central tendencies are mean, median, mode, geometry, harmonic mean. That the formulas, three formulas in each having. One is integer series, one is discrete frequent distribution, one is continuous frequent distribution. This is theory question. Problem lo adinappudu edana adagachu manaku. Edana problem ichi you can find the mean or median or mode or geometry harmonic mean whatever. Integer series kavachu or discrete frequency kavachu or continuous distribution kavachu. Okay. Individual, you can contact me personally phone if you are having any doubts. Okay. Now next class, next Saturday, we will start unit number 5. That is range, quadrant deviation, mean deviation, standard deviation. Okay. Clear?
Okay, sir.
I see you next Saturday. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Anyone is here? Hello?